Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome to everyone who is tuning in for the first time. My name is Zinati Ganga, also known as Bonke, Umfazo Semangocheni. I am back, guys. The exam season is finally over, and this week I am traveling to the Eastern Cape. We have Umgidi, which is a celebration for young men that we do when they come back from initiation school. So, as you have seen from the title, I am prepping for a trip to the Eastern Cape. I am going for Umgidi. I have Umgidi that I will be attending, and I also have another event for my older sister. It's her lobola negotiations, and Abakhosi are from KZN. We will be welcoming them on Tuesday, which is the second, if I am not mistaken. I'm not sure about the date, but it will be on Tuesday. That's what I know for now. That's what I can remember for now. And I will be bringing you guys along on our preps, of course. And I think the preps and Umgidi will be covered on the next vlog. And I don't want this vlog to be too long, so I will just be giving you guys preps for my trip. So I am going home early because we will be having the Lobola negotiations on Tuesday, which is before Umgidi. So yeah. So I will be showing you guys a bit of how that day will be going. I don't think I will be covering the negotiations. I will just be covering our preparations for Abacus Day. Today we have an appointment for my daughter's hair at Kiddies Corner. We are supposed to be there at 12 o'clock and the time now is something to 10. So I just need to get ready and get her ready for her appointment. We might be late, but I will try and be on time. We will try and be on time. And for now, let us get ready for Kiddies Corner. I will see you guys later on. I know that I also need to see my tailor on our way back because she's on the way. Her place is on the way from Kiddies Corner, so I will be visiting my tailor as well for fittings for my final fittings. So I will see guys what I can do. I know my week is quite crazy, but I will try and jump in whenever I can and update you on what is going on. And for now, let us get ready and I will see you guys some other time.
Wait, Dad. Dad. Okay. Dad.
He's like, Mom. Huh? He's like, Mom, Mom.
No.
Basta ba? Sam. Puli susus. Basta. Boy, aga ba? Boy. Sam. Hmm? Nasuthatha. Masambe. Bam. Sibamba wedwa bambisi.
A few moments later.
Unfortunately, I could not cover my fittings with my tailor as she was already on her way. She was supposed to rush somewhere. She had an event to attend, but she opened up and waited for me. So I could not cover the fittings. I apologize for that, but hopefully I will be able to show you guys my outfit when it arrives on Friday. Today is the 29th of June. It is Thursday, and today I have quite a number of things to do. Firstly, I need to go to Postnet as per usual. I need to go and drop off a few parcels for my clients. So I will be doing that first. And I also have an appointment later on at 3 p.m. I need to go to Bookies, where I will be doing my hair. I need to do my wig lines. I need to do my nails. I need to do my brows. I also need to do my lashes. I just need to refill my lashes. They are not that old, but I need to refill them since I will be gone for quite some time. I will be gone for 2 weeks, so I need to go there later today. So I will be doing that later today. I am traveling tomorrow. I'm supposed to be traveling tomorrow, which is Friday, the 30th of June. And yeah, that is how my day is going to look today. I'm not sure if I'll be seeing you guys on my way to Postnet or when I come back or when I am at Wookie's studio. So yeah, I need to go and do my hair. That's the most important part. See you guys later.
A few moments later.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Hi guys, it is my last day before I travel back home, and I am back for my lashes. As you can see, the red eyes are doing the things. Well, this thing is not burning at all. I just have the red eyes, and it was burning at first, but now it is getting much better. I'm hoping by tomorrow my eyes will be cleared. I also have the eye drops that I will be using. I think I bought them for my daughter a while back, but I still have them with me, so I need to use that and see how it will assist my eyes. And I decided to do these wig lines. I'm going to be doing a sew-in, and I will be leaving out this top hair and the side parts. So I will be doing that when I get to the Eastern Cape, because I did not have enough time to do it. So yeah, I got back very late, and I still need to pack. I just took out everything that we will be needing, that we will be packing, so everything is just on my bed, and I will just be putting in everything inside our bags, my daughter's bag and my bag, because we need separate bags since we're not going to the same location. So yeah, another thing I just wanted to show you guys, I ordered something from Shein for my outfit for Umgidi. I bought a very tiny bag. I don't know how they call it, but it's just a tiny bag, something that I will be using just to put in my phone and possibly my tripod if it fits in. But yeah, and some lip gloss. I think that's all that can fit into this bag. But I loved the print on the bag, the pattern that is used outside the bag, and I just thought it would fit with my outfit, especially my look. So I just want to show you guys what I got. Yeah, I hope you guys are still enjoying the vlog. I doubt if I will be able to vlog on the road because we're leaving very early. I think I should end this vlog here because this is my last day and the preps are all done. Yeah. See you. I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog. Please don't forget to comment and like me too, please. Don't bobo. This is the bag. This is the bag. This is our bag. Such a pretty print. I love this. It will already go well with my dip, and yeah, this is how it looks. I also got this. This thing is not showing nicely. These are the glasses shades, and this is the bag. This will possibly fit my phone. Yes, my tripod will fit me. Let us see. Let it begin. Baby, this is what we got. This is what we got. This was 99 rands or 90 rands. I can't recall. Also need to carry UPS because yeah, load shedding that side is the pits. And I also use this this light, this lamp. I will also be bringing this lamp along. It usually comes in handy during load shedding as well. So yeah, that's about it. Now let me sort out my outfits and my suitcase, and everything else I am done. This is the eye drop that I used, and I feel so much better after a few drops that I used. I am not sure whether royal blue with black will be appropriate for a funeral, or this blazer, or this navy and red. I'm just unsure. This is a dress that I showed you guys earlier, and I just teamed it up with this navy blazer, and I am not certain which one to go with. And this one, then I have this skirt, this pleated skirt. I got this skirt back in 2018 from Zara, and all these three blazers, guys, I was selling them when I was still selling. I got them from Marabastad, but the quality is no longer the same. I might just pair the black skirts, the black leather skirts with the black blazer, or I will wear the pleated skirt because it is also black, so it's either this will go there. Yeah, I think that color will be fine. And because of the weather, guys, I am not sure whether to bring this dress along. It is a mini polo neck. It's a nude mini polo neck. It's stretchy and it's quite long. And then yeah, I might just wear this one in case it's cold, but it will also depend which blazer I am going to wear it with. I also have this black dress with a sharp slit at the bottom. It also has this design by the arms, and it has a gold zip at the back, and I think this will go well with the black blazer also. It will depend. I will see, guys. Before I'm done here, I should know what to pack because I am not bringing all these things along. Otherwise, I won't have space to pack all this stuff. So yeah, I'm just not sure about the red color. I'm just not sure. I just want something warm and something with dignity, man, because this red looks a bit fly and happy. So yeah, I think I'm going with the black options. Good evening, guys. Today is the 30th of June, and the time is 8:30. And it's just after 8:30, and I'm supposed to be gone. I'm supposed to be on the road. I'm supposed to be traveling now. However, my plans have changed. My plans have changed. My tailor did not deliver the outfits as planned. I was supposed to get the parcel, yeah, the outfits. Guys, I was supposed to receive the outfits before 6 p.m. tonight, well, this afternoon. However, things did not go as planned. I had to change my traveling plans. I am so sad. I've been crying the whole day. I didn't have much to do because I knew I was traveling today. But I have no other choice. I cannot grab any other outfit because most of the outfits that I have, yes, I may have worn it once or twice. It's still new outfits that I still have, but nothing fits me. That's the issue. Nothing fits me. Hence, I had to do new outfits for Lemikiti that I was supposed to be attending. Ndiphoswa one, which is umgidi konobaza koblai engcobo, which is tomorrow, which is happening tomorrow. So if we do leave at 3 a.m., that's my plan. If we do leave at 3 a.m., I will be there before 11 or just around 11 a.m. so I can be able to attend that mgidi. So if we do not travel at 3 a.m., I do not know what is going to happen to me. Then I will miss that one. But at least hubby is there on my behalf. So yeah, let us see how tomorrow goes. I had to shift my time from tonight to 3 a.m. this morning. So I'm traveling at 3 a.m. this morning, and hopefully the lady will be here anytime from now, and I can be able to take a nap, even if it's an hour or two. Then I can wake up at around 1 a.m. and possibly post this video because I have tried to edit a few parts of it. I'm not sure if I will be able to finish editing, and I doubt if this vlog will be out before I travel, but I will see what I can do, guys. I just woke up. Today is the 1st of July. It is Saturday morning, and unfortunately we did not travel at 3 a.m. because the outfits did not arrive as planned. When it comes to tailors, because they will disappoint you. But anyways, guys, I do understand everything that is going on. At least I do understand. It's not an issue of much concern because I know the outfit has already been started. So it's just a matter of getting it on time or getting it to get someone to send it for me. Yeah, the lady is not here and I have to leave the outfits, and I am going to miss umgidi that is happening today, and it's okay. It's really okay, and I'm a bit down, but I don't want to ruin my weekend and my coming week. I do not want to do that. This trip is very important to me, and I don't want anything to spoil it for me. So yeah.
A few moments later.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another day. Today is the last day. Finally, it is the last day. It is Saturday morning, and I am leaving in 45 minutes time. I am going to drive to my cousin's place, and they are based in Vanderbijl Park. I am not sure if I am pronouncing it correctly, but yeah, that's where we are living from. So I thought, let me just check in with you guys before I travel, because I said good night last night and I thought I was ending the vlog, but since I do have a few minutes to spend on the camera, I thought, why not? And yeah, And I just wanted to wish you guys a beautiful weekend. Have a blessed one, and I will be seeing you tomorrow morning when I get home. And cheers, I will see you on the next vlog, and enjoy this one. I love you so much. Goodbye.